When outsiders look at the islands of French Polynesia, they immediately recognize them as a paradise. But these islands mean so much to the different people that they touch. To a field ecologist, they may serve as a largely undisturbed place for studying biological systems and natural history. For visiting tourists, they serve as a sanctuary, an escape from stresses of the modern world. And to the native Pacific Islanders, they are home, a home rich with history, family, and culture.
Titaata Herimwana. It means the people who love the ocean. Here we want to protect our big ocean. That's the future of our children, of our next generation, but also the future of the planet.
It's hard to put a price tag on an intact marine ecosystem. A large proportion of French Polynesia's economy relies on its marine ecosystem, especially its fisheries.
Worldwide, marine fisheries show increasing signs of strain and decline. Researchers at the Bren School of Environmental Science and Management at the University of California, Santa Barbara have identified the near pristine waters that surround the islands of French Polynesia as a key component for preserving pelagic fish populations.
There is a new satellite technology that allows us to monitor global fishing effort around the world. So you can actually pull up on a computer screen real-time fishing effort anywhere in the world. And this is brand new, it's only a year or two old. And Hunter Lenihan and I were sitting around in our lab one day looking around at one of these images, and we noticed something very strange. If you look out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, there's all kinds of fishing effort. I mean, it's plastered with fishing boats, except in the territorial waters of a few island nations out in the middle of the Pacific. So we started thinking, how can this be? Why are these people not fishing in these waters? And they seem to fish right up to the edge. So we kind of dug into the data in a place in our focal area, which is French Polynesia, and found that there were really two interesting things going on. The first is that, sure enough, the fishing inside French Polynesian waters is not very strong. So the fish populations are very robust. There are local fishermen who fish near shore, but basically the fishery is in good shape. But as soon as you cross 1 foot over the 200-mile exclusive economic zone line, it's plastered with fishermen from all over the world, from Asia, from different parts of Europe, right up against the edge. Essentially, our theory is that what's happening is French Polynesia is protecting its waters. They're not fishing them very heavily. And the fish are swimming out of their waters, and that's attracting these fishermen from all over the world to come in and we call it fish the line. And Hunter and I started thinking about this and thinking, how can French Polynesia try to capture some of these benefits?
Our objective is to merge modern fisheries bioeconomics with traditional Rahui.
Rahui for us, it's a very important management plan that everyone of the community should know. Our elders are always there to say, at this time, this area, this space from here to there is Rahui. We leave it and no one will be allowed to go fishing over there. But on this side, it's open. You can go and fish.
You know, and through talking to people in French Polynesia, local historians informed me that there has been in history pelagic Rahui.
Is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and they're all marked by stars and constellations and where they are at a certain time of year. That would tell you where open ocean Rahuis or protected areas are.
Is that right?
Yeah, exciting.
Thanks to Polynesian stewardship, the populations of tuna, mahi-mahi, marlin, and sharks are believed to be some of the healthiest in the Pacific Ocean.
Our goal is not to hand French Polynesia the answer. Our goal is to work with French Polynesia to build a tool that allows them to arrive at an answer. This has been done at a small scale in many countries, in Japan, in Chile, in Mexico. We want to do it at the scale of a country.
Our team is taking on this project with the goal of helping conserve a magnificent fishing culture by helping conserve the resources upon which it depends.